In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Microsoft Loop Workspace. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly and efficiently. First, let's get started by opening your preferred internet browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you're most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar, type in Microsoft Loop, and hit Enter. This search will take you to the official Microsoft Loop page, where you'll find the tools and features that the Workspace offers. After arriving on the Microsoft Loop page, you'll need to sign in to access your account. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you already have a Microsoft account, simply input your email address and password. If not, you will need to create an account, which is a straightforward process that Microsoft will guide you through. Once you've entered your email, you may be asked to provide your password as an additional security measure. Microsoft often uses a two-step verification process, so don't be surprised if you're also asked to verify your identity through a one-time password sent to your registered email or phone number. This is just to ensure that your account is kept secure. Enter the one-time password when prompted, and you'll be directed to your Microsoft dashboard. Now, with successful access to the dashboard, you're just a click away from your workspaces. You'll find a menu or a tab labeled Workspaces. Go ahead and click on it. This section displays a list of all your connected and created workspaces. From here, you can easily select the workspace you need to work in. Be sure to check for the workspace title or any other identifying markers to ensure you're accessing the correct one. Once inside your chosen workspace, you can begin editing and making the necessary modifications to your documents or projects. Microsoft Loop provides a collaborative environment, so feel free to explore the features that enhance teamwork and productivity. You can invite colleagues, assign tasks, or even brainstorm new ideas together, all within the workspace. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can successfully access and manage your Microsoft Loop workspaces. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy collaborating and making the most out of Microsoft Loop.